Okay. Stray Kids. Soli. Good. I don't know. Okay. Hold on. Oh, he's about to say it. But let me get the English. Hold on. Let me go back. Because, you know, Changmin be starting the song off with fire. Okay. As I said, sorry, let's just, okay, I'm sorry. First of all, the editing is low-key reminding me of Persona 5 a little bit, and I'm here for it. Okay, that part. Oh my gosh. All right now. Mino! Oh my gosh, the editing. Yes, sir. Oh, it's... Oh my gosh. Oh, this beat. Come on, Mino. Let's go. That transition. That's so sick. The laughing with their, like, okay. Also, Cinnamino, I'm here for it. That's so sick. Oh my gosh, this is so sick. It's too much heat. Oh my gosh. Mino is getting a lot of center time and I'm here for it. I need some chips because this is... Oh my gosh, the freaking editing and like the special effects and like the powers, like it's low-key giving me like, I don't know, Mortal Kombat, but like I said, a little bit of Persona 5, like I don't know. It's giving me life though, like that just blessed me in every way, shape, and form. Love the freaking screen time and center dance time that Mino got. Deserved. He's such a good dancer. That just went so hard. I mean, Stray Kids really be hitting differently. Thank you so much for spending time in this video. I hope you enjoyed my reaction. Let me know what you thought of the song. It's fire. Let's be honest.